Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a St. Patrick's Day holiday meal. It's going to be a corned beef and cabbage with vegetables in an Instant Pot right here. I got my Instant Pot right over here, guys. This is my Instant Pot right there. And I have corned beef right here. I got two of them. But both of these are not going into that pot because I'm going to be making me some Reuben sandwiches with one of these. So we're going to use one of them, maybe 1.5, okay? We got a head of cabbage right here. All right. We got 3 carrots right there. We got 4 potatoes, 3 cloves of garlic. I got 2 peppers, red peppers, and 1 green pepper. And these are the seasonings you're going to use. You're going to use some black pepper, and you're going to use some granulated onion, followed by some red crushed peppers. And this is some organic non-salt seasoning. So if you can't get a hold to this, I got this from Costco's. You can always use Mrs. Dad Original. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff together. But first of all, we're going to go ahead and get started on our corned beef. I'm going to go ahead and wash some of this stuff off, put the seasoning in there, and I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Here's my meat. I just rinsed it off a little bit and I put it in here. Alright. So now what we're going to do, I got 3 cups of water, cold water guys. We're just going to put that in there. Don't take much water at all, guys. This is a pressure cooker. We're going to take our seasoning that we had already in our package. We're going to put both of those in there. Just like so. We're going to take our lid and put that on there. And we're going to cook this bad boy. Let's go with the stew meat. It's on 45 minutes on high, and we're just going to let that go for 45 minutes and we'll check on it and show you guys what we got. See you guys in a minute. Okay, I'm going to start working on this cabbage. See this core right there? We're just going to take this and just cut that off, okay? Just like so. Come halfway down it. See this core right here? Just come in this way with it at an angle. Just be careful, don't cut your hands. Alright, we're going to turn this over like that. Depending on how you want yours, you like yours in big pieces, then you can do it like that. So I'm going to take mine like this. Like so. I'm going to take them like this. And happy St. Patrick's Day to you guys. You can just cut these down a little bit. Put these in a bowl. Or we can rinse those off thoroughly. And that's what you're going to have right there. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, guys. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, we're going to work on these bell peppers so they can be already ready. Just cut the top off. See, that's why I do it like that. Because I'm going to use that too. You can come down the middle. Like that. Grab them seeds out of there. Okay. Same with the other. Alright. Now I'm going to just show you on one of these what I'm going to do to these, how I want them in my pot. I just want them like so. Alright, and we're just going to cut these bad boys in half like this. That's all we're doing. That's how you want them. Okay? Just like that, guys. Alright. Alright, so that's that on the bell peppers. These you should know already how to do. If you don't, I'm showing you now. These are the garlic. That's how you take that skin off real quick. Alright, and we're just going to roughly chop those up, guys. Now, this recipe, if you wanted to use a real onion, you can. But I'm not going to because, like I told you, my people in my family don't like onions like that, so I got to use the onion powder, the granulated onion. So this is all we're doing, guys. Just chopping them up nice and just roughly chop. That's it. Just like this. If you want them thinner, you can keep on chopping it to get thinner. Okay? But that's it. So that's how you want those to look. Okay? Just like that, guys. Alright. Alright, guys. See you guys in a minute. I'm going to start peeling these up. Quite sure you guys know how to peel. Take this. Take this top part off. And I always cut the little tip part off right there. Now you can do this two ways. You can come down the middle, which I think I may do, I may not do, because I don't want a lot of carrots in there. I want people to be able to choose if they want carrots. So I want them about like that. About that big. Okay? See that? I want them about like that. Alright. Alright, now we'll do a potato. I'm just going to go ahead and peel this over here. Okay, here's my potato. I'm going to take my potato, cut it down like that, down the middle. Another one. These are called quarter chops. Okay. And I'm going to take this right here, about like so. Alright, that's how I want my potatoes in there. Alright, so I'm going to show you that up close. Okay. Just like if you were making us like a roast or something like that. That's how I want my potatoes in there. Now, that's how we're going to be looking momentarily. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these and I'll show you what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, here's all my stuff prepped. I got my cabbage right here, my peppers and my garlic right there, my potatoes and my carrots right here. Make sure you put water in this, okay, because it will brown up on you. You do not want to see no brown potato in your food, okay? So make sure you cover it over the top. You know, put you a saran wrap or a lid to come with it or whatever the case may be. And do it just like that. We're waiting on our meat to get done and cool off because we got to cut those up too. Alright? So I'll see you guys when that food get done in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. We'll go ahead and release this. Ooh, okay, fam, I'm back. I'm testing this out. It don't seem like it's all the way done. So 45 minutes is not going to do it. So we're going to have to put this on another 45 minutes. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and let that cook again. And by the way, I am going to be making some corn cakes today. Alright. Alright, guys. See you guys. Okay, fam, you want to put this on the board and let this cool off because you're going to be chopping on this, okay? So I'm just going to let this cool off for about a good 20 minutes. and then I'll start chopping on this. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I am back. Now what we're going to do with this water right here, we're going to pour half of this water out. This is why I'm not using any salt, because this stuff going to have a lot of salt in it. Okay? Alright, we're going to go ahead and start chopping on this against the grain. So if the meat running this way, you're going to cut it this way. Okay? That means against the grain. So I can see how the meat running this way right here. And then you get down to this part, it runs that way. So what we'll do right here, we chop this part off, just like so. And we come in this way and just cut these. Alright? So that's all we're doing. Alright. Yep, I want about like this in there. So we'll take this right here, stack those, and come down just like so. Alright? That's what we're doing. Alright fam. And I'm go ahead and finish doing these. And then I'll show you what we'll be doing next. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I took all the juice out of there. I'd say reserve me like a cup and maybe 3/4 or something like that. For my cabbage, we just gonna go ahead and put the cabbage in here. I like to put mine in layers, like so. That's that. Then we're gonna come in with some of our meat. Says the meat right here. All right. You don't want to break them up and all this stuff. So that's why I'm putting them in layers. Then I'm coming in with some of this these vegetables. All right. Then I'm coming in with some seasoning. Just like that. And a 1/4 teaspoon of that. 1/4 teaspoon of this. Quarter teaspoon, not even a 1/4, just a sprinkle of a little black pepper. We're gonna come in with like a tablespoon or a teaspoon of granulated onions, since we didn't put a whole one in there. Then start the procedure all over again. And I know some of y'all are like, oh, it's getting too full. Don't worry about it. It will break down. Trust me when I tell you. Because like I said, this stuff will break down real quick for you. So while that's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and add this in there. The rest of the juice. Alright. Make sure all this the edges in. Put this lid on here. Like that. We're going to cook it for 40 minutes. 45 minutes. On meat. There you go. So you got, oh, hold on, before I go. Here's my corn cakes right here. Alright. That's how those look. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this St. Patrick's Day meal. Okay, cabbage and corned beef with vegetables. As you can see, I got cornbread, I have spaghetti, and I got chicken wings on the side. Okay, I ain't just gonna eat that by itself. I'll let you see that up close. This plate is heavy, so bear with me. How that looks. Little chicken wings, the corn cakes. Alright. This is just some spaghetti I made yesterday, so I'm having that with it too. Alright. So, if you guys like this video, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell, just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Happy St. Patrick's Day.